Okay, today we're going to make a plant-based chicken sandwich for lunch. Okay, so here's all the ingredients we'll be using today. They're all vegan or plant-based ingredients. We're using Dave's Killer Bread. This is not a paid promotion for any product you see in this video. It's just what we like to use. We're using these Morningstar Farm chicken patties, some sweet relish, vegan mayonnaise, ketchup, and some lettuce. So quick and easy. So first, I'm going to put 3 patties on a plate for me and my girls. And then we'll cover the plate loosely with a piece of plastic wrap. And we'll put these in the microwave for 1 minute. And after that 1 minute, we're going to flip all 3 patties over. And we'll go ahead and put them back in the microwave for 1 minute. And while those are cooking in the microwave, we're going to put the bread on the plates. You can use 2 pieces of bread per sandwich, but we found that 1 slice works fine. Now the patties are done. We'll put them on the bread. We'll put the condiments on the patties. So again, quick and easy lunch idea. And some lettuce. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Leave me a comment down below. And we're also going to cut up some apple slices to go with the sandwiches. Woo! I hope this information is helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.